Now let's move to the final stage, refine. This is where your diagram goes from rough draft to polished, professional, and ready to present. Start by applying the feedback that aligns with your purpose. Remember, you don't have to act on every suggestion. Always anchor back to your purpose. If a piece of feedback helps your diagram fulfill its purpose, keep it. If it doesn't, resolve or delete it. This feedback is about including an important step, so we'll update our diagram to include it. I'll use assisted layout to move this shape, add a new shape, and update the text. I'll do one last check looking for crossing lines. Crossing creates visual noise and confuses the eye. So if I find crossing lines, I'll shift shapes around or turn off line routing in the assisted layout panel until everything is clean and easy to follow. Looks good. Finally, make sure your diagram is stored in the right place. From your Lucid homepage, click the 3 dots next to the document name. Choose Move To, and choose your team. That way, everyone on your team automatically has access and no one's left searching for documentation. Need to use your diagram outside of Lucid? Simply go back to your document, go to File, Export, and save it as a PDF, PNG, or PowerPoint for easy sharing. And with that, your diagram is refined, professional, and presentation ready. So there you have it, the full cycle of the Lucid way. Draft to capture the flow of ideas, share to gather the right feedback at the right time, and refine to polish and finalize your work. This framework saves you time, reduces work, and produces diagrams that are not only functional, but also impactful. And remember, your diagram is not a fixed artifact. It's a living document. Update it whenever your process evolves by following the same draft, share, refine workflow, and your documentation will continue to serve you and your team well.